Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day here. And again, we're going to do some more analysis on Bitcoin. And today, we got a very nice bounce, right? We basically came back down, touched the upsloping trend line that we previously charted. If you guys can go back and see, it's basically off these two pivots here. And then we bounced very nicely right off of them. Now, when we take a look here at the count that we got going on, so I still believe we're in this corrective move now. I was expecting a counter trend rally back up towards the upside. Now, the big question is are we going to get one more high? Because right now, what we just witnessed is a B wave potentially as it ended with no divergence. You got no divergence here, and you peaked out. Now you're dipping back down. And if you start to break back below 90, I would say even like 93,000, 94,000. If you start to break back below there, you'll have most likely confirmed the C leg here. And then we're going to be headed towards the downside to make one more low. So that's what we're probably going to see here if we don't take out this peak here. If we take out this peak, you're going to have bearish divergence, and you're most likely going to see another leg higher, and this could mean either a more complex correction or a bigger A, right, and then a B and then a C, maybe do an overshooting B wave, or you could even call this the low here. But I don't like the low being here just yet because we have some bullish divergence here. So right off the lows, you got some bullish divergence. I think you need one more flush down towards the downside, wipe out a lot of late longs, people who are leveraging up, and then maybe once we're back down to here, you'll get a final low, a lasting low before you take off in a wave 3, which would be a massive pump to like 100k plus. But let's take a look to see what the target could be here. I'll give you guys a target of where I think this could be going. So just off the highs here, off the pivot, probably somewhere between 88,760 to 86,743. You could actually go as low as 83,400. So actually, we'll give it a big range, given how much Bitcoin is pumped, because this could easily dump back down, back into this area here. So again, anywhere within here, it would be a nice accumulation zone. So we're looking for a big wave 2 pullback. And this could end with no divergence as well. That would be very nice. Okay, so there you go. That's wave 4, and I expect a massive rally to come afterwards, but we'll have to be patient. Well, you never know. Maybe this already is going to extend, tomorrow morning. It's just going to keep pumping. I've already closed my long position. I've taken profits on a short-term long that I just took in. I said we should hit 97 to 98k. We should hit 97k. I was a little bit late to close it. I closed at 96,200, but still a nice little 13% gain here, bagging some money and continuing to print those gains. Again, 13% there, another 12% here, right? We're gonna keep that the money train going. All right, let's take a look at a few other things here. So I want to check Wave Edge and Market Cipher. So let's start off with Market Cipher. The weekly time frame is still looking a lot less bullish now. It's a 3 to 6, 4-day. Already printed a red dot and confirmed it up here. 3-day also printed a red dot. You got some bearish dual band strength index numbers. The daily starting to rotate, and the 12-hour is actually looking very bullish right now. Look at this tight momentum wave. This is exactly what you want to see for reversal and a continuation pattern. I mean, look how tight this momentum wave was here. You got a rally from 67 to 74. You got another tight momentum wave here that confirmed, and then the rally went from basically 67 all the way to 99,000. Now we're gonna get a very short and small, shallow wave 4, tight green dot, and it's gonna extend to 109 to 141,000. It's very possible that can happen. That can happen. But I'm willing to bet that we're gonna get something a little bit more complicated, a nastier correction. It's gonna be a 1-2 setup, right? And then we'll probably short on the wave 2 top, and then come back down to maybe 88k. We'll have to see if the markets get a pullback too. Because if the markets don't get a pullback, then you're obviously not going to see some downside, I think, in the Nasdaq. Although we did have a pretty rough day today in the markets. The markets were down. Let's take a look at Wave Edge. So again, I've been telling you guys, Wave Edge shows you where smart money sells and where smart money buys. And right now they have been selling at the highs here. And we've seen a few bullish signs. So again, on the low, that's why I started buying. I could see smart money was accumulating on this dip here. Boom, 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 boom. They bought the dip, and then we rallied back up to 96K. But are we going to make a lower high and continue down? If that's the case, then this is most likely going to come back down to 88, right? And you can see here on the 24-minute, they already took some profits at 96,000, 97,000, exactly where I was looking to, to exit my position. I exited a little bit late. I was very busy today. But yeah, we'll have to see if we see some more upside from here. But again, the wave 4 and 5 are never guaranteed. Right now, what your best bet is that this is a B wave high and you're going to come back down. But I could be wrong, and I'm okay being wrong because I'm prepared for more upside. Again, I got lots of longs in the long-term portfolio. I'm ready for those gains, those altcoin gains, but this would definitely shake the tree a little bit, in my opinion. It would be good for the market, and you still got some support down here, 86 to 88. So it's not much, but there's still some support there. All right. Anyways, that's it for tonight, guys. I'm going to keep you guys updated with my trades. Feel free to sign up with the link in the description. Peace.